Welcome to our journey of mastering English for daily life, focusing on essential household phrases that can empower you in your everyday interactions. Imagine walking into your home and confidently expressing your needs and desires in English. That's the goal we're aiming for today. Let's start with the first phrase. Could you please help me with this? This phrase is not just about asking for help. It's about building connections and fostering cooperation within your household. When you ask for assistance, you show trust and create a supportive environment, making your home a happier place. Next, let's explore the phrase, "Where's the?" Whether you're looking for the remote control, the keys, or any household item, asking where something is opens up communication and encourages teamwork. Remember, it's okay to ask questions. It's a part of learning and growing together as a family. Now, let's move on to our third phrase. Can I get you anything? This simple inquiry shows care and consideration for others, and it's a beautiful way to strengthen relationships. When you offer to help someone, you create a warm atmosphere that makes everyone feel valued and included. The fourth phrase we'll cover is, please clean up after yourself. This phrase is essential for maintaining a tidy home and teaching responsibility, particularly to younger members of the household. By using polite language, you encourage a positive response and foster a sense of accountability. Finally, let's wrap up with, let's sit down and talk about it. This phrase signifies openness and willingness to communicate, which is vital in any household. Encouraging discussions can help resolve conflicts and promote understanding among family members. As we reflect on these phrases, remember that language is a powerful tool for connection and understanding. Each phrase you learn brings you one step closer to feeling at home in your English-speaking environment. Practice these phrases daily and watch how your confidence grows, not just in your language skills, but in your relationships as well. English is not just a language. It's a bridge to connect with those around you, to share your thoughts, and to create a loving environment. So, take a moment to practice these phrases aloud, envisioning the positive interactions they can bring into your life. Let's make a commitment to use these phrases regularly, transforming our daily routines into opportunities for connection. Remember, every small step you take in learning English is a victory worth celebrating. You are not just learning a language, you are enhancing your life and the lives of those around you. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and embrace the journey of learning English for your daily life.